Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to talk a little bit about the paper pumpkin. I mainly want to talk on how to store your stamps. So I have a PDF that's listed on my blog and the link is listed down below in the description box, or if you're on my blog watching this video, the link is posted above. And the link on my blog will take you to a PDF that you can print off and you can make an insert for the DVD case and put your stamp set in there. So this is the way I'm going to start storing my paper pumpkin stamps. And let me show you this. Now let me show you what it looks like when you click on the link to the PDF. You're going to get a download little arrow up at the very top right. That's what you're going to look for. So once you click on the link for the insert, look for this little download here. Hopefully that's showing up. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to be able to pull this insert up, which looks like this. Okay, so this is what I want to focus on today. I want to show you how to cut it and put it in your case, then store your stamp sets. Okay, so this was the February paper pumpkin kit, and these were the cards that we made. And I kind of do a little write-up on the paper pumpkin as well on my blog where this link is posted. And in this paper pumpkin kit, every month you get this kit that has every single thing that you need to make the cards or whatever project it is that we're making each month. And it's like a surprise in your mailbox. And each month there's an awesome stamp set. So instead of putting the stamp set in the paper pumpkin box, I figured we'd put them in a DVD case like we do with all of our other stamps and store them so we can use them in future projects. All right, so let me go ahead and grab the case and we'll cut this PDF here. Okay, so here are the cases that are currently available from Stampin' Up. This is the current case that you're probably all familiar with when you buy your cling stamps, your photopolymer, and your clear mount. This is the thin DVD case, and when you purchase these, you'll get 4 in a package, and I'll have the number listed for this standard size case. And then there's 2 other size cases. This is the full case, and this is pretty much for our wood mount, which our wood mount stamp sets are going away, but I don't know if these cases are staying or going yet. But this would be your typical wood mount stamp set case. And these are called full wide case. And you also get 4 of these. And then this is also available in the half size, which is called half wide. And these are also available for the wood mount as well. And they're just half the size of the wood case. So let me give you the sizes. The half wide, this size is 5.5 by 3.5 by 1 1/4. The full wide is 7.5 by 5 1/4 by 1 1/4. And then the standard case is 7.5 by 5.5 by 5/8. Okay? All right, so you're gonna need one of these cases for your insert. And this is the insert that I printed off. Let me grab some scissors. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and fold this in half. And this is just copy paper. You could use cardstock if you wanted. So once I folded that in half, I'm just going to go ahead and follow this line around this design here for the cover of the insert. Okay. So this is our insert that's going to go into the DVD case. So this is where the stamp would go. And then you're just going to go ahead and open up your insert. And you're going to flip it over on the front of your case. And you're going to pick up this little covering right here. Hopefully that's showing up. And you're going to insert the paper pumpkin insert into your DVD case. Okay, and then it shows the stamp set on the back, which is nice too. So then you can just go ahead and put your stamp set right into the case. And then you can store this with all your other stamps. So they'll be shown on the edge here on the binder side of the DVD case. Grown with Kindness, February 2019. And then it shows the stamp set and then the cards that we made for that month of February. So very cute. It's the realism and the photography that are the focus on these cards this month, and they're absolutely stunning. So then for March is Paper Pumpkin. It's time to sign up for that right now between February 11th and March 10th. And there's going to be 2 stamp sets in this Paper Pumpkin kit for March. So you have until March 10th to sign up for this Paper Pumpkin kit. So don't miss that. And I'll have the link down below for that as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.